What's up, y'all? Today we are working on both the back and the front squats. Now, these are very similar motions, and that's why I have these two combined together in such a way. So, the first cues you really want to concern yourself with are keeping shoulders back, core braced. I'll say this a million times over for pretty much every single exercise we do. But as you notice, as I'm moving through this motion, I keep my hips pushing back in space, I'm keeping my knees pushing apart, and then I'm lowering my hips down as low as I comfortably can, letting my hips dictate my depth. Meaning, if I feel like I'm tight in a certain position, I don't try to push beyond that tension until I start to loosen myself up and get acclimated to the motion. Now, as you can see with the front squat position, I have my hands crossed and my elbows up in order to keep the bar from falling down. Now, to go back to the foot placement, as you can see here, I left a little foot wiggle in here so you guys can see exactly how I move my feet around to position myself comfortably on the ground. Now, as you notice, I have my toes lifted off the floor, and I do this just to show that I have my weight shifted back onto my heels. I'm coming all the way down below parallel, again, because my hips will allow me to do so. And I'm keeping myself stable as I move with my breath. Now I'm switching over to the front squat position to show you foot placement, knee placement, hip placement does not change at all, merely the placement of the bar. So if you can focus on that deep belly breath, keeping the core braced, coming as low as your hips will allow, keeping the knees driving out throughout the whole motion, you'll have great success.